one of India's greatest voices, gone in just one night. This is the story of Zubeen Garg. Zubeen Garg, born November 18, 1972, was an Indian musician, singer, and composer who worked across Assamese, Bengali, and Hindi music. Over a career spanning 33 years, he recorded over 40,000 songs and sang in more than 40 languages. He was regarded as the highest-paid singer in Assam and a cultural icon of Northeast India. On May 27, 2024, he was awarded an honorary Doctor of Literature degree by the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. But on September 19, 2025, everything changed. What happened that night in Singapore? Find out in Part 2.